This is Mohammed Bilal, and I am going to teach you Chromedriver setup in Selenium. Without setting Chromedriver, you cannot make any Selenium script working. So you need to know how to set up Chromedriver in Selenium. There can be multiple methods, but I will discuss most simple and reliable method for how to install Chromedriver in Selenium. First of all, you need to import a WebDriver from Selenium. Import WebDriver. Then you need to import service from Selenium. Selenium.webdriver.chrome.service import service. Then using service you need to provide path for Chrome driver service. Here you need to enter path for your Chrome driver. Here I have Chrome driver. I need to copy path for my Chrome driver .exe and paste it here. You need to use double slashes here, here, here. Or you can simply use R before placing the path. Then you need to set up driver is equal to webdriver.chrome service is equal to Chrome service. Now our Chrome driver setup. Now you can test it. Driver.get. Here it opened a Chrome and then closed. In this way, you can simply set up Chrome driver. Just place here path through your Chrome driver and then connect it here. You can also use here Chrome options, and you can also go without setting up Chrome options.